All right, this is problem 5 from the H10-8 homework. So we're going to be asked here to find the sum of the following arithmetic series. So we know this is arithmetic already. And when you look at it here, it goes 9 plus 4 plus negative 1, right? So what's happening here is we're going down by 5 each time. It's like we're subtracting 5 or adding a negative 5 each time as we're going across here. That goes all the way across there, be consistent. So in this case here, we need to know, if we're trying to find the sum of an arithmetic series, we need to know what the first term is, we need to know what the last term is, and we need to know the number of terms. So we know the first term is 9. We know that the last term is negative 126, but we need to figure out how many terms there are going to be. So remember, to do that, we need to use the nth term equation. We're going to say a sub n is going to equal our first term plus our common difference times the quantity of n minus 1. So let's take it here. Let's plug in our nth term, negative 126. Should equal our first term, 9. And you can put plus negative 5 here or minus 5. Either one would work. Times n minus 1. And now we just need to solve it for n. So you can do it a variety of ways. You can subtract the 9 or you can distribute the negative 5 through. I'm going to do that first. 9 minus 5n plus 5. So I have negative 5n plus 14 equals negative 126. We'll subtract that 14 from each side there, so we end up with negative 140 is equal to negative 5n. And now, when we take it here and we divide by a negative 5 goes into negative 140 28 times. So there's 28 terms in this series. Remember, if you get a decimal there, then you made a mistake somewhere, and you need to make sure you're going back and finding that before you move on. You can't have a partial term here in a series. So now that we know that there are 28 terms, we can use our S sub n equation, which remember is first term plus last term times half the number of terms. So the sum of the 28 terms in this series is going to equal 9 plus a negative 126 times 28 divided by 2. So as we go through and do that there, you can type that in the calculator if you need to. I think that the sum of those 28 terms should end up being negative 1,638. And that is our answer. Now let's double check it here. Right, so we'll do 9 plus a negative 126. And then we're going to multiply it by 14. And you see that was the same answer we got. So this is number 5 from H10-8. Hopefully that helped you out.